Hello everyone, I'm Ania from Mr. Phone, and right now I'm in Bangalore to attend the launch of the Redmi Note 11 Pro series. We've got the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. There's the Redmi Note 11 Pro, and Redmi has also launched a new watch, the Watch 2 Lite, if I'm not wrong. So. In this video, let's take a closer look. Let's take a first look actually live from the event, and I'll show you the hands-on experience of all the devices right now. So let's go ahead. So guys, this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus in this beautiful blue color. So Redmi says that they have taken the inspiration from the blue shade of the K20 that launched in the past. But yes, this is the beautiful blue shade of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. The phone also comes in this matte white color option. It looks gorgeous, and this is glass, by the way. Redmi has confirmed. So this is the black color. Again, it also features a matte finish just like the white one. Looks very nice, very good. The in-hand feel is very good. This is quite smooth to the touch, so I love that. But coming back to the showcase color, that is the blue. So this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. It comes in this Evol design that Redmi boasts about. At the front you get a 6.67 inch Full HD Plus, a 120 Hz Super AMOLED display. It's a pretty bright display, 1200 nits, Xiaomi claims. Oh sorry, Redmi claims. So Redmi and Xiaomi again, they make pretty small hole punch displays. Like Samsung is the pioneer, but Redmi does it so good over here. And the chin could have been slightly thinner or slimmer, I believe. I wished it would have been, but yeah, that's there. Otherwise the bezels are slim, the display looks pretty nice, viewing angles are good. You get a side mounted fingerprint sensor. The volume rockers offer a very good tactile feedback. There's a 108 megapixel triple camera setup, a 2 megapixel macro sensor, a 118 degree field of view wide angle camera. I'm not sure right now about the exact megapixel count. It has a good in-hand field, glass back, and Gorilla Glass protection at the front. Apart from this, there's MIUI 13 atop Android 11. I wished there was Android 12 on this phone, but unfortunately it's not there. Let's hope Redmi delivers it on time. But in a nutshell, this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus for you. In terms of pricing, the introductory prices, if I'm not wrong, is 20,999 for the base variant. Then there's 22,999 for the 128GB plus 8GB RAM version, and then there's 24,999 for the top of the line 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. So there's that about the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Now shifting our focus to the Redmi Note 11 Pro. In terms of design, very similar to its elder sibling, but in terms of pricing, there's a bit of difference. This one comes with an introductory price of 17,999 and 19,999. Again, two gorgeous finishes. One is this. Oh, we don't have the other color. Okay, so we don't have the other color over here on display, but this is the key specs of the device: 67 watt charging, 5000 mAh battery, 120 Hz display, 108 megapixel camera. So the processor on this one, so the 11 Pro Plus, let me quickly just bring it out. So the 11 Pro Plus comes with a Snapdragon 695 processor. And this one comes with a Helio G96 processor. It's a 12 nanometer chipset, but it's a capable chipset. It natively supports your 108 megapixel camera. We'll be seeing in the longer run how this phone performs. When it comes to the design, the build, both of these phones look pretty awesome, and I still can't get over the blue shade of the 11 Pro Plus. I think so. It looks simply amazing. It looks gorgeous. and it's out of this world. So, moving on, let's go ahead for the third product launch of the afternoon. And here we are. This is the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. It comes at a price of 4,999. This is Redmi's latest smart wearable offering. In terms of key specifications, there's a standalone GPS, there's a good colorful display, there are 100 plus fitness modes, 5 ATM water resistance, 120 plus watch faces. So there's everything that you would need in a smart wearable. Of course, we'll need to Redmi also claims a battery life of up to 10 days, so that I'll have to see. But in terms of build quality, looks pretty slick. The plastic that they've used looks premium, looks high quality. The sensors, Redmi branding, you get interchangeable straps. The straps are themselves of good quality, so no complaints there. For now, the initial impressions look stylish, pretty light, good color of the strap. There's this color as well. It's sort of a creamish color, if you guys can make out. And of course, as I said, there are interchangeable straps, so you can always buy them from Redmi. But in a nutshell, for a price of 4,999, this is the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. So that was everything from the latest launch from Redmi, the 11 Pro Plus, the 11 Pro and the Watch 2 Lite. So what do you think about the prices of these devices, especially the phone when you consider the Note 10 Pro series phones, the Note 10 Pro Plus, Note 10 Pro and the Note 10 Pro Max. I am so confused with the naming scheme, but yeah. What do you think about the prices of these latest devices in comparison to the last generation ones? Share all your thoughts with me in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll catch you all in the very next one. Thank you for watching.